Oh, it's just that one. Why you video it? 1, 2, and 3. That's the beginning. Easy to do it. This is the easiest pattern what I'm doing. You just know how to count. Do you have your stuff on this? Did you get?
No.
This is the easiest. Auntie Minal did too hot for herself.
It's really interested how you're doing it.
I seen the student, the girl, the other day in the bus. A student. She's going to school. She's wearing uniform. She's doing the knitting.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna learn.
Yeah.
You'll teach me.
Yeah, why not?
You do these things very quick, you know.
It's not easy.
You just not need to know how much
Yeah.
knots.
This is the second round. For a couple of minutes. Finish another row. Mm-hmm. This is the easy pattern. You can make like yourself for your table, for your mug, or if it's a bigger one, it's a place. A plate for the plate. When I leave it, another round, it will be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nearly. You can do this. I'm pretty sure because this one is easy, dear. I think this is better than to watch on the phone and some AirPod. Because if the bell is hardly here, this one is quiet.